Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Reaper Malicious Sidetrack Show. We have a budget tool today, the Ozark Trail 17-in-1 Multitool. That's your package. Hopefully this is focusing in with my crappy camera. Sorry about that. There's a sheath comes with. It's a small belt. I don't really like it. It's kind of crappy. Hope you guys can see that. Case is not bad though. Pretty generous snap. There's your tool. Feels kind of rubberish, but not rubber. Alright. Ozark Multitool. Here's all your tools that are on it. You got your standard plier, your long nose pliers. You got your wire cutters, not replaceable. You got your saw blade, lanyard hole, can opener, flathead screwdriver bottle opener, your awl, your Phillips head, file, fish scaler, and it also has a ruler, like 2 inches. It's a 2-sided file, like a probably one of those nail things that push your cuticles back or something for your old lady. She's in the field with you or something. Yeah. You know, obviously, this is a first impressions video. I am showing you the product that I've seen. I don't know how good this will be in the test of time, but we're gonna do some stuff with it. Bear with me. I have a large hand. It's pretty big, pretty bulky. Spring action. Some wire. Some pretty, I don't know the gauge of the wire, but it's pretty thick. Oh, it went through pretty nice, didn't it? Yeah, so the wire cutter works. Feels pretty comfortable in my hand. You guys see that, right? Going right through it. And the pliers. You know, take your wire and curl it up. Feels pretty good in my hand. I don't really feel. It's pretty comfortable. What tools are coming out? None of these tools lock, by the way. Let's see. But they're all on the outside. That's a plus, right? All on the outside of the tool. Let's see how sharp the knife is. Let's see. And you can't open them either. At least I can't. It's kind of hard to get in there. So make it a nail nick. Gotta be careful now. Blade doesn't lock. Some paracord. say if this was the only tool you had on you. Oh, cut right through it. That was a push cut. Let's do another push cut. Cuts right through it. This is the only knife you had on you. You know, make some shavings for a fire. Get you something going. Blade's not too bad. It's probably not paper cutting sharp for sure, but it'll cut this stuff. Here we got some juke twine. Easily cuts it. Anything can cut this stuff. Yeah, 6 minutes. So yeah, let's see that. Bam. Blade works. Let's test this saw, see how that works out. Make some notches with it. I mean, if you really needed this saw, because of the simple fact, this is our only tool. It's the only thing we brought with us in the woods. Yeah, it's the only one we got. Plus, I got this for. Shh! Don't tell nobody. I got this for Mike for his first multi-tool, and I'm testing it. Make sure that it'll be okay to give him, if it's even worthy for his hands. I don't want to give him too much of a piece of shit for his first multi-tool. So yeah, you could definitely saw with this thing. Check it out. Make some sawdust to catch yourself a spark. Make yourself a notch. It's not too bad. $10 by the way. $10 multi-tool. Budget multi-tool. So yeah, saw's alright so far. I don't know why you would have a can on you. But let's see if the can opener works. Went right in there. Kind of wish it locked, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I don't like the can opener. But it works. You know what I mean? It just doesn't lock. We wouldn't be having cans anyway. I'm just showing you that it works. Another demonstration. I would just use my damn knife. That's not a good idea, whatever. And a survival rules, whatever, but works. And maybe the highlight of this tool right here, the awl. I used this the other day to put holes in my belt. And I go up and down in weight depending on what I'm doing and what I'm working, and if I'm smashing concrete or working out or blah 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 blah. Alright. Some leather. Hopefully you can see it's pretty. It's not gigantically thick, but it's nice. Pretty tough leather. Real. Either drill yourself a hole in for your leather. Watch out. Tool doesn't lock once again. Gotta be careful how you use it. Keep your hand away. There you go. Got yourself a hole maker for your sinew, your artificial sinew. I'm gonna start doing some leather stuff here, so I have bought some scrap leather. It was pretty expensive, like $8.99 for a bag of it. There we go. That's your hole there. Not too shabby. Works pretty good. Alright. Back to the only, this is the only survival tool you got. Let's get some of this. See if I can get a fire started before my time limit's up with the multi-tool. I'm gonna make some shavings. I don't want to run out of time. Ozark blade. It's cutting it. Making some sawdust. Maybe it'll make it a little bit easier for me to start a fire. Just for the fun of it, using the saw. Not that you need to do that. Why? Because you got some jute twine that we cut up. This will definitely catch a spark. Just flare the end of it. It's the only tool we got. These are some fire ignitics that we have on us because we have our fire survival kit on us. We're gonna take out our file. Boom. This thing scrape our fire steel. There we go. We got us a survival fire. Oh yeah. And some twigs here to help us out as we prepared for our little fire that we need to survive tonight. Only it's morning here. You got some more paracord stuff that you cut up. It's easily is flammable. Alright, guys. Yeah. So yeah, this works pretty good. This is going to be Mike's first multi-tool for 10 bucks. Ozark Trail. That's pretty cool. You know, if you look for budget stuff like me and everybody else, and it's pretty decent. Even if you want to buy this for yourself and put it in your tackle box or whatever, I would say that it's not that bad if you use this tool for what, you know, oh shit, for what it's good for, you know what I mean? Which is light, you know, light duty things. Don't try to take this thing to an extreme, you know. But yeah, if you want it to be a survival thing, you seen what I just did with it. This would definitely work in the woods. For our bushcrafters looking for a budget multi-tool, this is Reaper Militia. Much, much, much respect and much appreciation for you watching me, viewing me. So much appreciation. Knowledge is power. Practice is progress. One love. Thanks, guys. Reaper Militia. To Valhalla, to all of us. And to you, goodbye. That was fucking stupid.